Here we have a 70-plate BMW X5 XDRIVE45E M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £11,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. Just to mention a few, we do have the M Sport Pro package, the visibility, technology and comfort packages. Now we also have the 21-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which in excellent condition and unmarked. The blue M Sport brake calipers behind. We have the black sapphire metallic paintwork, LED headlights, gloss black front grills. We also have the front splitter as well, as this vehicle is fitted with the M Performance kit. Coming round to the passenger side, you'll find the side skirts running along the bottom. We do also have the air suspension, so the vehicle can raise or lower. It's currently set to the lowest setting. We then have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, with the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. Up top you find the roof rails. We then have the shark fin antennae and the rear spoiler, which sits nice and aggressively just there. We do also have the front and rear parking sensors with 360-degree cameras and of course the visual display inside. Rear diffuser with the dual legs exhaust at the back. We also have the split tailgate, which is power operated. Press the button on the remote and you'll find the top half will open. Now inside of here you can see we have plenty of space for whatever you may need. We do have this charger just there, parcel shelf at the top. We do also have hooks on either side. We have the button as well just here for the air suspension, so you can press that button to lower the vehicle, making it easier to put things into the boot. Press this button and then the boot will close again just like so. And coming back round to the driver's side, you find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look then at the interior, inside of the back first, you'll then find we have the full black leather seats, foldable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. You may have noticed as well the ambient lighting on the doors. We have the vents down there for the rear passengers and also the buttons to turn the heated seats on, as both of these outer seats at the rear are heated. M Sport style seat belts. We also have the brushed metal door handles, electric windows, a nice wooden effect trim as well on the doors. If we take a look now at the front, you'll find the same leather seats, with both the front seats being heated once more. Now also both electrically adjustable with the memory functions, as you can see, electrically adjustable, and the memory functions are on the doors. We then have the Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors and electric windows with child lock for the rear. Again, we've got the wooden trim. Automatic lights just down here. We also have the multifunctional steering wheel, automatic wipers on that stalk there. Take a seat inside, you find the digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button and the vehicle will start up. We do have the electrically adjustable steering wheel, controlled on that stalk just there. Got cruise control and speedometer here on the left hand side. Heat steering wheel button is just here in the centre, so we can press that button. If you just press it like so, it'll appear on the screen, and as you can see it's now activated. You can also see we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We do have the phone connectivity and the volume buttons here on the right, paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel, high beam assist on that stalk just there as well. We then have the heads up display just up here, if the camera can pick it up. If any of these lights or screens are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, it's nothing to worry about. We've got the sat nav just here, which is currently got the map on, but this screen is touchscreen. You can see we have the home menu just there, but you also have the buttons just here. Click onto media, you'll find it the radio stations. Other media options here on the left. We have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for phone calls. We also have a range of apps that are installed on the vehicle. Go over to the left and you'll find the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Again, going back onto the main menu, if we go onto car, onto the settings, and then you'll find the interior ambient lighting just here. Plenty of colours which you can go through. We also have the intelligent safety system, making it a safe vehicle to drive. Again, further down you find the climate control with the ice-cold air conditioning. We also have the heated seats on either side. Again, the wooden effect trim continues here in the centre and also across the dash just there. Combined with the ambient lighting, really makes the interior a nice place to be. Got the cup holders just there, which are heated, and they can also be cooled just by pressing the buttons just there. We have the wireless phone charging underneath there as well. Close that off just like so. We have the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes, so you can press this button just here and switch through the different drive modes. You find electric, hybrid, adaptive and also sport. Also paired up with the air suspension, which you can manually change with this switch here. Putting the car into reverse, you find the reversing camera. We also have the 3D view and the 360 degrees camera. If we go onto auto, put it into drive, change it to the front facing camera, go over to the left and you find the 3D view where you can go all the way around the vehicle 360 degrees, and as you can see each angle works just as you would expect it to. So as we make our way all the way around, you see all the angles work. Go back onto the car wash view, you'll find we have a top down view of the front end. Putting it back into park by pressing P, we then have the electric handbrake, hill descent control and also the armrest, which can be opened up for more storage. This armrest is also heated and separately as well, so if you have the passenger seat turned on, it will heat up the passenger seat and also the passenger side of the armrest, but the driver's armrest will stay cool if you have it turned off. That's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching.